against the firewall.
So you know what that means is whoever built this car stuck that in there.
Yep.
On the assembly line. Wow.
Are you kidding? Yeah, you're right.
Yep.
No way.
Yeah.
Here we go.
They pulled it on.
Yeah.
Look what Scott, Mr. Break It, found. Where was this at?
This was against the firewall under the pad.
Against the firewall, under the heat shielding pad
A paper from
of this 1938 Chevy.
Sunday, November 7th, 1937.
What paper? What state? What paper is it?
Times Union, Albany, New York.
And who's this guy right
Dude,
there?
you're
Can you
tearing
see
it
that?
up, man.
Yeah, can you see that? What's this?
Mighty Mite tosses his right into, I don't know.
You'd have to unfold it, but there's a boxer on the cover. State beaten by Indiana Hoosiers
10-0.
10-0 in 1937.
7.
Something cost $1,000 in 37. Let me see. What else we got here?
There's advertising on the back.
Let's see that.
Some spider corpses.
They got some spiders. Got some good stuff there. Let's see what else was it. Was it flip it over? We're gonna have to unfold it. Yeah.
Somehow. I'd steam it first.
Yeah.
There's a comic here.
I don't think it's a comic. I think it's advertising.
Yeah, advertise. You see, Shapiro's Shutout Palace in Women's Loop. So this must be the entertainment sports.
James Conner, New Orleans, has 2 Adam's apples.
What? Say that. What?
James Conner, New Orleans, has 2 Adam's apples.
Wow.
He's a real man.
That's neat. I'd steam that and open it up. We'll put it in a picture frame.
In New York. Wow.
Yeah.
Pretty freaking cool. Yeah, something we can take a look at.
Put it over here.
That's amazing that survived.
No doubt.
There we go.
That's a little bit of history behind
Oh,
the
man, this thing needs to go back to stock.
firewall padding right here.
That's what it was.
Some guy on the line just threw that up in there. Just
That's cool.
Look how clean this car is. It's got a little bit of cancer here on the driver's side. But literally. Okay, Dino.
Take care, man.
Later, man. We're continuing to bag and label all the parts.
Here's the pad.
Here's the pad that paper was behind. And you can see the bottom, the back, you know, before we started pulling it apart and trying to get it out of there, it was in pretty decent shape. Probably full of,
Asbestos.
it's probably nice and full of asbestos, so it's best that, you know, we breathe deeply because we don't want to have to do this any longer. Because life just is a bitch. But keep getting screwed.
He burns the piece of plate across the top.
Yeah, you probably full of asbestos. Good picture. There we go.
That was the top.
See, that might actually come with the new piece, but still, you can pull that off of there. God, I'm trying not to breathe the dust.
Yeah.
Getting closer to being able to pull it off the frame. We need to pull the gas tank, the back, the glass, you know, the headliner. Pretty much all that's got to come out. Fenders. The deck lid is just sitting there. It's already off the car. Just somewhere to put it. Anyway, there's a little update on this 38 Chev, and we will see you next time.